I'm tired of being a kid. People don't take me seriously.
Efek bas.
Now I am building on some things that I don't want to clearly state yet. Tapi obviously this year is the year yang I realise that I'm 21 and I'm no longer a young kid, and this year is the year that I'm gonna choose my career path lah. So di awal tahun ni I banyak masuk this and that, try this and that, and trying to find what I'm most comfortable with and focus in that. Hopefully maybe I jadi pelakon tapi shifted daripada last I berlakon really as a budak sekolah lagi, masih umur 19 tahun pun masih budak sekolah lagi, 20 tahun pun masih budak sekolah lagi. So hopefully this year I'm working on bukan rebrand, but I'm trying to buang that Mia Sarah budak kecil, Mia Sarah jangan besar, saya rindu awak kecil, saya cuba nak ketepikan benda tu, and I'm trying to look forward and I'm trying to change that perspective on people, because I dah pernah jadi budak kecil kat mata orang.
Kalau ada tawaran budak sekolah tu akan hold dulu ke ataupun tolak terus?
Um, dia bukan nak tolak, tapi
Kalau ada pilihan lain, pilih lain dulu lah.
kalau boleh, sebab saya memang saya dah tak nak jadi budak kecil dah. Walaupun badan saya bersaiz kecil apa semua, saya faham, tapi saya tak suka dipandang as budak kecil selamanya. Begitulah. Saya nak shift ke another person pula. Evolve macam tu. Sikit-sikit lah, sikit-sikit kita cuba.
Ya, sedih tak? Pasal macam rasa tak ada peluang untuk jadi dewasa ke, cuba otak-otak yang
Asyik watak yang sama je.
Macam mana? Dia bukan sedih, sebab setiap orang dia ada rezeki masing-masing, and I faham yang this is my journey, and I faham ini rezeki I. So I am hoping that people can see me more, because I can do a lot. It's just that I tak diberi peluang dan platform yang betul. People tak I'm tired of being a kid. People don't take me seriously. I enjoy being a kid, berlakon. I enjoy being people's childhood actress. I sangat happy. People come to me, mak orang come to me, a kid comes to me, cakap I happy kan childhood diorang and blah blah blah. But I guess we need to move on now. I can't be a kid forever, and it's like I'm 21 and I'm still stuck in people's perspective on me, as I'm still a kid, even though I'm 21.
Ya, penat tu effect tak mental health ke?
Yeah, yes, of course, because bila orang pandang you as budak, orang tak take you seriously. Apa you cakap ke, apa you feel, whatever, people tak take you seriously. So of course, and cakap pasal mental health, I memang dah I've been fighting this for daripada I 15 tahun, and I even talk about my mental health journey dekat MTV before, and it's not something that I've been hiding. It is something that I memang dah war-warkan pun. And maybe I rasa macam dekat TikTok I pun sikit-sikit I macam hinting a lot of sadness, which is not anything new pun. It's just that I've never been so expressive je. And I'm just really anxious with a lot of cameras.
So harapan you kat pengarah luar sana mungkin bagi peluang kat situ macam mana?
Yes. people don't see my potential. Nobody has ever seen me in my fullest. Nobody has ever pushed me to my limit. People don't even know what I can offer, what I can do. People don't even know my talent, what I can do. Because I'm not even given the chance to. So, orang just ingat I'm just a kid yang ayahnya mampu berlakon jadi budak sekolah je. But I'm more than that.
Ya, tapi Mia punya penguat semangat lah untuk terus dalam industri ni kan, sebab mungkin certain orang bila dah melalui episod macam ni dia akan take break kan, tapi kalau Mia sendiri macam mana?
I've been taking a break actually. For the past few years pun, I rasa daripada I mentioned that umur 15 kan, I rasa daripada umur 15 pun I memang dah slowly keluar daripada social media. Daripada 15 and then 16 I dah start slowly stop berlakon. Not stop berlakon, I kurangkan berlakon. Lepas tu I dah tak buat YouTube. I dah tak fokus dekat social media. Instagram bapa I hari-hari marah, cakap suruh post gambar. But like I've been hiding. I've been anxious. I penat nak takut dengan apa yang orang akan cakap pasal I say actually because it's my passion. I started being in this industry when I was 4 years old, and my dad never forced me to be in this. It's me. Because I daripada kecil I memang sangat minat berlakon. I tengok TV, I suka. I memang minat berlakon. So I punya jiran dia yang dia macam producer something like that. So dia panggil I casting because I memang minat. And my dad asked me, Mia, do you want to be an actress? Dia explain lah what being an actress means. So of course I nak jadi pelakon, and I'm never forced to be an actress. I'm never tired berlakon 24 jam ke 2 hari straight ke. I'm never tired because I memang minat daripada kecil. It's never forced. Nobody forced me to do this. So of course because it's my passion, no matter how hard, walaupun it's heartbreaking, there's a lot of sad stories that people don't know that I have to go through to get to this point. But again, it's my passion. So kalau you minat, you mesti boleh buat. Walaupun you sakit hati ke, you penat macam mana, you mesti boleh buat. And then other than that, of course, dari kecil sampai sekarang, my dad has always been by my side. Well, today he's busy.
Mia, macam you kata you ada berkongsi dengan Liana Jasmine.
Yeah.
You ada tak heart-to-heart dengan dia, itu masalah macam buat orang sekarang ni, apa nasihat?
Yeah, I mean heart to heart dengan Liana Jasmine tu, of course, because dia memang I sama company dengan dia, and I memang rapat dengan dia daripada dulu. So I feel like she understand me because dia memang nampak I physically macam mana I go through daripada kecil sampai besar, just like how Mama Lisa see me. Cuma I didn't get that chance to talk to Mama Lisa as much because I think because dia ada family dia, and she lives quite far from me, and coincidentally I live very very near Kak Liana. So and she's a very good I tak tahu, but she give me good advices, and yeah.
Mia tak pernah apa yang you rasa ni kongsi dengan pelakon-pelakon yang seumur dengan you, macam Raikal ke?
Well, no, because I'm not that personally close with anyone. Tak kisahlah pelakon atau bukan pelakon, because memang I tend to push people away, and I have this macam big macam I tak bagi orang tahu I tak suka benda tu. I don't even know why I overshare hari ni dekat media. I'm not gonna sleep tonight. I tak tahu. Tiba-tiba terburst out hari ni. Bismillah.
Mia dalam memandang tu.
Agak kot.
Okay.
Okay.
Ya.
Thank you.
Be strong.
Okay.